Greetings everyone, welcome to Miss Dolly's Vocabulary Lesson 2. I hope you managed to watch Lesson 1 and enjoyed learning the 6 words that I introduced to you. I would like to recap those words and let's read them together. The first word, contagious. 2, hilarious. 3, fragile. 4, fatal. 5, bashful. And the last word, instantly. I hope you will continue to go back to just listen and repeat. As you repeat, you will get better. Let's begin lesson 2 of our vocabulary lesson. I would like to explore a set of 6 words that are rather interesting. Now, the first word is bored. B-O-A-R-D. Bored. Bored just means to get on. Get on what? Get on the bus. Get on the train. So you can make a simple sentence. I boarded the bus at a bus stop near my house. Or you can say, I boarded the bus near the MRT station. The first word, again, bored. The second word is the opposite of bored. It's alight. Alight. Very easy to spell. You know, light, L-I-G-H-T. Put an A in front and it becomes alight. What is the meaning of alight? Alight is get off. Get off what? Get off the bus. Get off the train. I alighted at Tampines MRT station. Or you can say, I have to alight at the next bus stop. So these 2 words are very easy to remember. Number 1, bored. Number 2, alight. Word number 3, downpour. Downpour. D-O-W-N-P-O-U-R. Now, what is a downpour? Downpour means very heavy rain. Now, a very simple sentence. I was caught in a downpour near my school. So, downpour means very heavy rain. Word number 4 will be elated. Elated means very happy. E-L-A-T-E-D. Elated. So how do you put lay L-A-Ted T-E-D. Elated. Again, elated means very happy. I was so elated to receive the good news from my family. Now let's go to word number 5. Word number 5 is amnesia. A-M-M-N-E-J-S-I-A. So even if the word is spelled S-I-A, it's not sia, but in this word is je, amnesia. What does amnesia mean? It means loss of memory. Why would someone have a loss of memory? Well, it could be the person may have had an accident or hit the head after having a fall. So a simple sentence, she suffered from amnesia after the accident. So the 5th word is amnesia. The last word for today, word number 6, is communicate. Communicate. C-O-M, M-U, N-I, Kate, C-A-T-E. Communicate. Communicate simply means talk. So let me give you a sentence. You need to communicate with your teachers. So let's read the 6 words together. The first word is bored. Word number 2, alight. The 3rd word, downpour. The 4th word, elated. Word number 5, amnesia. And the last word, communicate. So in our first and second lesson, you have learned 12 words altogether. Now, the best way to learn vocabulary is to keep listening, keep pronouncing. Don't worry, you will get there. All right? Have fun with lesson 1, lesson 2. Have fun with the 12 words. Send me a comment or question if you have in the comment box. Till we meet again for lesson 3, have a good one. Bye!